Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So, in week three, we are going to be wrapping up our conversation about AI. For Tuesday, we have the art of summarizing discussion board posts, and I'll get to that in a second. Also, then on Sunday, the 17th, the future of writing essay is due. I touched briefly on both, I believe, in last week's lecture video. Look for another lecture video like around about Wednesday or Thursday about the future of writing essay. It's pretty straightforward assignment. You've already done a bunch of the prelim work. All right. So let's get to let's get to the discussions here. Discussions. There we go. All righty. So the idea here behind the art of summarizing is just a really good reading that really breaks down how to go about writing summary. I have it been annotated. Some of the traps are marked there as to what you should look for in this particular reading. Be aware that, remember, when you're summarizing, and I think it's really important, not only are you using your own words to summarize a writer's work, but at the same time, you have to follow some sort of attribution. You have to give that writer credit for what it is that you are summarizing. And some of the discussion boards, everybody wrote about some of the content in the articles, but there's quite a few instances where some people did not give credit to the author. So it's important then, because if you're talking and taking information from an author and the article, then without giving credit, once again, you are plagiarizing. So you want to be aware of that. So I have the link to the article here. If we go into the module real quickly, the week 3 module, I also have information here with the articles and the links here for the art of summarizing. So that'll be due on Tuesday. Responses to this board are due on Friday. As always, let the boards develop and be patient. Let me get to the instruction here. And this is when I say it's pretty straightforward, it is, in my mind. You're probably going to need something where in close to 800, 900 words to adequately discuss this, but be aware, my instructions here are pretty clear. I'm not looking for an introduction, just launch into a summary of each of the articles. After you open your summary of both articles, then I need you to respond. Do you agree, disagree? And some of the prompts that you have seen here, you can use your thinking and what you wrote for the discussion boards as a launching point for this particular essay. That's why I don't think it's going to be really too difficult of an assignment. So you've already done some summarizing and some thinking there. So you can really probably pull this together relatively quickly if you've read the articles and come up with some good responses in the discussion board. So remember, this essay is worth 10% of your course grade, and you'll have that due on Sunday. All right. So that's the week in an overview there. Let me see where else I can get back to the announcements here. Here we go here. So it's a pretty straightforward week, and then we're going to start diving into the textbook. On week 4, please make sure you have your textbook because we'll be working on that. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.